gonna be mighty upset when she sees Marvin out of his cage.
How are we gonna tell her? No, we're not. We're gonna get the bird back to the cage before Molly finds it out.
Hey, I got an idea. Why don't we try to call him down with bird calls?
Yeah, that's the idea, White. Yeah, that's a great idea. We'll ask the YouTubers to help. Don't forget about the subscribers. Right.
Okay, gang, we need your help with this. Come on, make bird sounds so Marvin will come down. Like this.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Make it louder. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Wait!
A rooster's a bird. Max. Hey, watch it.
Bummer. No, it's not working.